Guten Tag, Year 3, and welcome to our first online German lesson this term. We're going to start today by recapping on some of the learning we did right at the end of last half term to check what you remember before moving on to some new knowledge. So, I've got some questions for you. And going back 2 units, what animal names do you remember in German? We did some of the animals. The ones I remember off the top of my head are cat, we covered. Dog, we covered. Giraffe was one of the other ones. There are 3 that come to my mind. You might remember some more. How would you say hello or goodbye? You might have heard me say one of them right at the beginning of this video, but there's more than one way of saying it too. Perhaps you can remember more than one of those ways. And how do you say that is green? Because we were looking at some of the colours towards the end of last half term, and there's something on the board that might help you, our knowledge organizer from last time, to help you with that. As always, if you want some more time to answer those questions, pause the video now and we'll go through them in just a moment's time. So, to start with, which animal names do you remember? I remember Katze was cat, Hund was dog, and Giraffe was giraffe. They were some of the animals we covered. Maybe you had those ones, maybe you had some others. If you did have some others, perhaps you could send some of those in. How do you say hello or goodbye? Now, there's lots of ways to say hello. I said Guten Tag at the beginning. Maybe you could repeat that back. Guten Tag. And another way is nice and simple. And it's very similar to our ways. Hello. And they're the main ways we have focused. And to say goodbye, we can say Tschüss, which means something similar to see you. We can say Auf Wiedersehen, which means something similar to goodbye. And we can say Bis bald, which means similar to Tschüss, see you soon. Perhaps you can have a practice of those as well now. And lastly, how do you say that is green? Now I'm looking at our knowledge organizer. I can see grün is the word for green here. And to say that is, all down here, das ist. So I'd say das ist grün. That is green. And that was some of the things that we were practicing last time. Now today, we're going to be learning the names of German fruits. And I've got some on the board for us to focus. So we have a pineapple, and that is die Ananas. Maybe you could have a go at saying that. Let's do it my turn, your turn. Die Ananas, your turn. The next one, we have an orange, and that one is die Orange. Then we have a banana, die Banane. We have an apple, der Apfel. And lastly, we have a pear, die Birne. Again, maybe you can have a go at saying one of those. And if you want another practice, rewind the video slightly and have a go at saying those with me again. Now next, I'm going to upload a link to the video with Felix and Franzi. And they are making a fruit salad, Obstsalat. You might listen out for that phrase throughout the video. Can you hear them using any of these words, these fruits, throughout the video? Like I said, I'll copy the link into the description below so you can watch that separately. You might want to pause it now and have a quick watch. I'm quickly going to pause sharing that screen, and I'm going to share a different one with you to show you a slightly different challenge. So we have just practiced those words for those fruits, and you've probably just watched a video of Felix and Franzi where they use some of those words. I've got them all jumbled up. I've got the pictures at the top and all the words at the bottom. Can you remember which word goes with which? So which one is der Apfel? Which one is die Orange? Which one is die Ananas? Which one is die Banane? And which one is die Birne? Can you match them up? Again, pause the video here if you want some extra time, and we'll have a go at going through those in just a moment. So let's have a look at those together. The first one, die Ananas was the pineapple. Die Orange was the orange. Die Banane was the banana. Der Apfel was the apple. And die Birne was the pear. Well done if you got all of those right. Now, another little challenge for you, another little question for you to work through. Was ist das? Means what is that? So behind these coloured squares, there is different pieces of fruit hidden. When you think you've guessed the fruits, and they'll be from these ones here, perhaps you can call it out. So let's have a look at the first one together. Ooh, there's a big clue. I wonder if you've already guessed what it is. Can you remember the German word for it? If not, flick back and see if you can find it. That one, to go all the way back, is die Birne. That is a pear. Let's have a look at another one together. Oh, again, another big clue straight away. I think lots of you can probably work out definitely the fruit in English, but can you remember the German one? I'm thinking that's definitely a pineapple. What is the German word for pineapple? Die Ananas. Well done if you had that one. Next one, oh, again, another big clue. There's a stalk at the top and it's looking reddish with some greenish tinge to it as well. I'm already thinking that's definitely an apple. What's the German word for apple? Well done if you said der Apfel. That's the German word for apple. Oh, again, a big clue, an orange coloured fruit. What do you think that is? Do you remember the German word for it too? I'm thinking the English word is orange. The German word, oh, it's missing it. It's die Orange. Next one. Oh, again, a yellow fruit. We can see the stalk at the top. What fruit do you think it is? Again, can you remember the English word? Can you remember the German word? Well done if you said die Banane. That one is the German word for banana. Well done if you got all of those. It was a quick challenge to get you trying to remember some of those fruits that we have covered so far. Now this one, I'm going to give you an example. What colour is each fruit? And the ananas is brown. The pineapple is brown. The ananas is brown. Maybe you can have a go at saying that. And we remember the word for brown is spelt a little bit differently, but it's pronounced very much the same. Next one. I wonder if any of you can remember. The oranja is oranga. So the orange is orange for that one. What colour is the next one? What colour is the banana? Die Banane is gelb. The banana is yellow. Apfel. Der Apfel ist, can you remember the word for maybe red or maybe green? Because I know we can get red apples and I know we can get green apples. What colour is the apple? Der Apfel is rot und gelb. They've said the apple is red and yellow for this one actually, because this side is red and there's a little bit of yellow. You could also have said der Apfel is rot und grün, because sometimes you get green apples and grün is the word for green. And I've probably given you a clue for this last one. So, die Birne. Die Birne ist, what colour is the pear? Die Birne ist grün. So the pear is green. That's the colour of the pear. So that's a little challenge to get us recapping on some of the colours of the fruits as well as the names of the fruits. Last challenge for you, challenge that you can complete independently this time. I want you to draw a picture of the different fruits that we have learned today and label with the following phrases. So we have die Birne, der Apfel, die Orange, die Ananas, and die Banane. If you're not sure, feel free to flip back through the video so you can see some of those different words match with the pictures from before. Otherwise, see if you can have a go yourself. As always, please send your attempts into the Year 3 email accounts as usual, and I look forward to seeing them myself. See you next time. Bye.